Hello everyone, today I want to have a look at the project Tokenbox, which raised quite a bit of money and they're currently live, but an ICO will finish really soon. So time left is 2 days, 11 hours. Let's have a look and discuss what's Tokenbox. By the way, this is not financial advice, this is just for educational purposes, because the project I really like. So Tokenbox, as I said, create and manage crypto funds legally and securely, like invest in crypto funds and assets in one place. That's what it's all about, just everything in 4 sentences. And so, as you know, there is investors and trading on the market, and it's very hard to manage your crypto portfolio. And on Tokenbox, you can just give the funds to the manager, and who will manage it. Basically, you can invest in the hedge funds, crypto funds. I mean, because Tokenbox will allow to create crypto funds. So if you're qualified, if you know what to do, you can apply and make a crypto fund yourself on the Tokenbox platform. So for investors, there will be access to the funds, and they will get share of the profits what the funds will get. For example, one of the most famous funds I think is TAS Fund, and but they're running on their own platform. So TAS Funds, as an example, is sharing the profits, and here will be many such funds where you can invest, and if they're doing really good, they will be giving you a cut. Tokenbox will be as a guarantee and a platform where everything will happen. So you're secure with Tokenbox because you don't know what the fund did, but here's another good example. So there will be why it will be trackable and everything like that. So first of all, there will be rating of funds and the strategy which the fund said they will run. So the strategy cannot be changed. So they just set up the rules and just follow it. For example, if they say they will run a robot, they will run a robot. If they say we invest only in ICOs which rise then more than $10 million, then they only invest in ICOs which rise more than $10. They're not allowed to invest in ICOs which rise like $3 million, because it's in their rules, and Tokenbox will make sure that they're not broken. So there will be also, as far as I understand, an exchange where you will be able to exchange, and will be also a fiat exchange where you can invest dollars, euros, whatever currency you are in. I think there will be quite many supported, and exchange them to the crypto, and afterwards you can invest into the fund. Basically, so that will be a tokenized fund and crypto asset platform. One very important thing is that each fund must have 5% of investments in TBX token. That's why they will be the price of Tokenbox token, which is TBX, as I mentioned, will be rising. Because, for example, your fund invested $1 million, so 5% of that, which is 50,000, you need to keep in TBX tokens. If you're already a couple months $2 million fund, you need to buy more and keep. For example, you raise $1 million, another one, your $2 million fund, you must have $100,000 in TBX token. One TBX token is roughly about $1, and so like shares, securities, commodities, metals, land, real estate, everything become crypto assets, and how you can work with it, like and what you can do with it. So Tokenbox will also help the funds with KYC help and check notification security. For example, to make an account on the normal funds like real fund, not crypto fund, it may take so many documents and it may take so much time before you'll be investing. And usually the minimum investment is like 100,000, 1 million, $10 million, depends on the fund. And token fund will create a whole ecosystem. As I said, they will make a crypto platform because so many crypto funds ask them for white label fund. And what is interesting, I saw in one interview that they said that other funds are collaborators, so they're not competitors. They help tokenize their assets, plus with a legal framework, and Tokenbox will help with the lack of trust because it's a real issue, plus automatically fulfilled and due diligence. Platform will invest, as I read somewhere, $6 million. Afterwards, okay, that was a little bit from my view from the white paper, which is 35 pages. I just summarized it a little bit, discussing my own words as I understand it in short term. And there is also a light paper, so if you're looking for an investment, definitely go through these two documents. They also have a pretty big Telegram group of 2,000 people so far, and you're welcome to join there, and they will answer all your questions. And let's have a look at what's there on the website. So you can participate in here. Maybe I will make another video how you can participate. You can see they raised $7 million already. 1,300 plus people participated. That's really good. They're partners with Zerion, Banco, Syndicator. They've been covered by Forbes, Yahoo Finance, HuffPost, Russia Today. Again, Forbes, there is ICO bench of 4.4. This really high mark. ICO rating gave them very high rating, stable. There is also chat the right corner where you can chat with them. Set utility, it's utility token, 5% must be in portfolio, 20% go to team, 75% token generation event. So you need to create a zero account. So most simple and takes only 5 minutes. Most likely I will make another video how to invest in that. So the team is Viktor Sparovsky, managing partner the token fund, someone from Zerion, Alexei from Zerion. So I get pretty huge team in here. And then they got quite lots of advisors, head of supervisor board resulted. I'm just looking someone I may know. Oh, here you go, Pavel Salish, blockchain consultant in eToro. So eToro is one of the biggest brokers. They're maybe not one of the biggest, but they're definitely huge. Yelena from Adventure Fund, and another advisor from Zerion, because investments coming from Zerion, you need to make a Zerion account. There is quite a few Huawei tests they did. Okay, that's good sign because it's pretty expensive test as far as I know. We can open it. There is 7 pages. So Huawei test. Here we go. The test itself. Then the roadmap is November is token generation event, Q1 KYC model, multi-currencies wallet, Q2 2018 alpha and beta versions coming in, and Q4 2018 internal risk management system and custom analytics models and stuff. There is frequently asked questions as well, like if you're not aware, like what is TGE crowd sale. They have a hard cap of $20 million, so all those basic questions you might be interested in. Surely like their Twitter page and follow them, because it's always is good to be to receive all the latest news. So they got 2,500 followers nearly. So guys, yeah, there are $7 million, and it's about to finish. Take your chance, read more about the project, and hit like, comment the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.